This is Sub-Solid 1 with Materium pellet extruders. It can print with industrial size pellets, also mix to create interesting colors. But what about recycling? If you look at Indonesian marketplace, you can find these recycled pellets quite easily. And this is what they look like. We call them mambo, or a mix of everything. To do this, I'm first gonna purge the previous ABS inside the extruder. Printing with polypropylene cannot be done with the usual PI bed surface. It requires itself to be the bed surface so that it will stick. As we know, PP will only stick to PP. So we used PP packing tape to cover the entire bottom of the printed area. This is what I find to work very well. As you can see, PP warps very heavily, so I had to stop at mid-print. And in the second test, blackout happens, so I had to redo the print. The third test is where I gave up. The prints all look fine except for the heavy warping, but it could have been easily continued and we get a full print. And this is what I found upon disassembling the nozzle and experiencing continuous and consistent clogs. And then I realized that it's recycled polypropylene. It's no wonder that so many random things make its way into the extruder. Polypropylene makes up all the things that we use on our daily lives, like bottles, cups, and even our gadgets. It's inevitable that other substances like debris, dust, accumulate and make its way into the pellets. And even when it's just a little, if it accumulates, it's going to be enough to entirely block a 0.6 nozzle. When I let the extruder extrude freely without the nozzle, that means it's a 6mm opening or die, the debris just won't stop. And once the extrusion got clean, I reattached the nozzle and still find this. So that's it for this batch of recycled polypropylene. I think I'm gonna have to find better luck next time. If you like what I'm doing or planning to buy Materium, stay tuned to see more interesting mixes of materials that we can print on Materium pellet extruder. Bye.